So be you, be fun, and let your subscribers vibes with you. Welcome back to my channel. So you know, it's your girl Brittany. If you didn't know, now you know. So let's get straight into the video. So today's video is gonna be all about the things I wish I knew before starting YouTube. So the first thing I wish I knew before starting YouTube is to have video ideas already. When you're just starting out YouTube, you might not know what content you want to post or when you want to post. But by having video ideas ready, you will know exactly what you want to post. If you don't have any video ideas ready or any videos, what you want to do is to go on YouTube and type in YouTube video ideas, and then you will get some video ideas. The reason for having your video ideas ready is to be consistent on YouTube. Consistency is very, very important. The reason being is because you don't want to be spamming the people, right? Don't spam the people, right? You don't want to be like putting out a video and then like disappear in the next 2 months or the next month, or you come back like in the next 4 months time or things like that. No, it doesn't work like that. In order to grow your YouTube channel, get more views and get more subs, you need to be consistent. Okay, cousins? Growth takes time. You're not going to put out a video and then get, hey, 1 million subscribers or 1 million views in just like a day, or 1,000 subscribers in just one day, or 1,000 or 3,000 views in 1 hour or anything like that. No, unless you're famous on like Instagram, Facebook, or you know, other media platform, then you know them come across on your YouTube channel and then support you. So yes, you can grow, like you can get all the views and the subscribers as fast as possible. But if not, you're gonna keep in mind that growth takes time. You gotta be patient because it's not easy. Very, very much frustrating. Imagine you spend almost 2 hours recording videos and next 2 hours editing videos, upload it on YouTube, then only get 5 views. Like, sis, nobody want that. Simple setup. All you need when you're just starting out on YouTube is some simple setup. You don't need a fancy camera, babies. You don't need a fancy camera, right? When you're starting out on YouTube, you're not gonna take your $1,000 to buy the most expensive camera, $2,000 to buy the most expensive camera. No, sis, we ain't gonna do that, because at the end of the day, YouTube is very frustrating when you're not growing. Then boom, you're spending $1,000 or your $1,500 or whatever the cost for a good camera, right? You purchase the camera, you're only getting 2 views, you're only getting 5 views, you're only getting 20 views. At the end of the day, it's very frustrating. So you probably want to stop, you probably want to quit, right? And after spending all that money on camera, sis, you don't want to quit, right? Because it's gonna be a waste. So all you need is just a good phone. And this phone nowadays are very good camera quality, because now I am recording on my iPhone XR, right, sis? And the camera is pretty. Okay, sis. Yes, so that's what you need. Next thing you're gonna need for a simple setup is you might can't afford a ring light. When you're just starting out, what you want to do is just use natural sunlight, right? Natural lighting. Like in the daytime, you use natural lighting. Right now I am recording this video in the day. I still have my ring light on. I'm gonna pop it off and show you guys how the quality of the video, how it's gonna look when you're recording in the day. It all depends on the position that your house is in towards the sun. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you mine now. This is how it look when my ring light is off, right? Yeah, well, it's pretty bright in my room, but know where the camera, where I'm located, I'm not sure if it's bright enough for viewing, right? But you can use natural lighting if you don't have the money to buy a ring light. You want to take in consideration that sub for sub don't work. Okay, cousins? Yes, sub for sub don't work. You spend at least the whole entire day doing sub for sub. So for instance, you get a 15 sub for that day, right? And you wake up in the morning, all 50 sub gone. Just imagine, oh, that's a big waste of time, and it's very disrespectful. Like I ain't gonna have that, sis. I ain't gonna have that. That's not cute. Like come on, let's not do it, okay? And these people that is doing sub for sub, they are very dishonest, right? You subscribe to them, you're not watching your videos, you have 1,000 subscribers, and when you put out a videos, 2 weeks time, it's only have like 15 views. Like, it's just that's ain't cute, right? That's ain't cute. So we ain't gonna do that, right? We want some genuine subscribers. We're gonna gain genuine, put out good content and gain some genuine subscribers so we can get our views. So we're gonna cut out the sub for sub, right? And if you want to do sub for sub, please don't do it on the YouTube platform, okay? That's gonna cause your YouTube channel to not get monetized, okay? So we don't want to do that, okay, sis? Don't do it, please. Don't beg for support. To gain more subscribers on YouTube, all you gotta do is to just be consistent. Know that YouTube takes time and patience. You gotta have to put in the work, put out quality video that people will like, and trust me, sis, you'll grow. You will. When recording a YouTube video, you want to have some confidence. Nobody want to be watching your video when you're like,
hi babies, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl.
No, that's not entertaining. Remember, you're bringing out content to the audience, right? Let your audience feel you, okay? You know that sitting down in front of the camera is like we're talking to ourselves. But in reality, we aren't talking to ourselves. We're talking to you, the viewers, you who are watching us, you, right? So just get that out of your mind, like the idea that you're talking to yourself. You're not talking to yourself. It's just to be you, be fun, and let your subscribers vibe with you. Be a friend to the audience so they would love you and want to see more of you. So in that way, you will gain more subscribers, gain more views, and gain more traffic to your channel. Okay? Hold on. Aren't you subscribers yet? What are you waiting on? Do it now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, sis. I can see you. Okay? Yes, I'm waiting. So for 2020, let's practice all that and get our YouTube popping. That's basically the things I wish I knew before starting out on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comments down below and let your girl know what you think about this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that.